Hello viewers, many people actually updated to the latest version, that is Ipados 26.4, but yet after that many people are not getting enough battery life. So I checked my battery again. As you can see here, I charged up to 100% on Tuesday, and I will show you how much battery backup I have got during these 3 days. You can see that I have charged towards 1 p.m. and so on Tuesday I got around 2 hours battery life, and then on Wednesday I got around 2 hours and 34 minutes, and on Thursday I got around 3 hours and 21 minutes, and then today I got around 33 minutes. So total I got around 8 hours and 46 minutes. That is very good battery backup, I would say. Also, there is no heating issue while using my iPad 10th generation. Everything is as smooth as it was before, and also you can see that I have updated to the latest version. Now let me show you the storage scenario. Around 55 GB is occupied, so that is a very good thing, I would say. The screen is also performing well. There is no screen flickering issue either. The display is gorgeous, vibrant, and the visibility is excellent. After this update, there is no problem in editing. Also, you can edit your 4K 60 fps video without any problem. There is no hiccups or lag, and the timeline is very smooth, as you can see here. So I think there is no problem in this update. You can definitely update to the latest version. If your iPad is under warranty, then there is no problem. But if you are getting very good battery life in the existing update, in that case there is no need to update to the latest version. But if you are getting battery drainage issue and battery heating issue, in that case you can definitely update to Ipados 26.4. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are facing any kind of issue after this update. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.